Did you know that the youngest millionaires in history were made in the past few years? Thanks to social media? It's true. According to recent reports, platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram have created over 4 billion millionaires under the age of 30 in just the past decade. Yep, social media has been the golden ticket, turning influencers, content creators, and even everyday users into millionaires. And here's the kicker. It's not just about fame or luck. Ordinary people like you and me have leveraged these platforms to build businesses, monetize their talents, and create life-changing opportunities. With over 5 billion active social media users globally, the potential to reach and impact. And guess what? You don't need millions of followers or crazy tech skills to make it happen. All you need are the right tools to start strong in 2025. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how you can tap into this goldmine, step by step, and with tools you can start using today, for free. So, are you ready to make 2025 your year? Let's be real. There's never been a better time to start your journey in the world of AI and content creation. Why? Because big companies are desperate for fresh ideas and smaller creators like you. They're tired of the cookie-cutter influencers and want people who are relatable, creative, and can actually connect with real audiences. That's where you come in. But where do you even begin? Let me break it down for you in a way that's easy, doable, and, most importantly, free or close to it. First things first, tools. You don't need to blow your budget on fancy equipment or software. In fact, you can get started with tools that are either completely free or have free trials. Let's dive into them, step by step. 1. ChatGPT, your AI assistant for ideas and prompts. This is where the magic begins. Think of ChatGPT as your creative partner. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, write scripts, or even create avatars, like the one you're watching right now. I created this entire avatar and setup using ChatGPT and a simple prompt. Don't overthink it. Just type what you want, and it'll give you incredible results. 2. Canva, your video creation powerhouse. Next, Canva. Canva is a game changer for creating stunning visuals and expanding your videos. It's beginner-friendly, drag and drop, and can help you design thumbnails, intros, and even animations to bring your videos to life. And guess what? There's a free version that's more than enough to get you started. 3. CapCut, for polished video editing. When it comes to editing your videos, CapCut is your best friend. It's intuitive, free, and powerful enough to add professional-level effects to your content. Want captions, smooth transitions, or background music? CapCut's got you covered. 4th, Pictory, turning text into video. Got a script or blog post you want to turn into a video? Pictory makes it ridiculously easy. Upload your text, and it'll generate a video with visuals and voiceovers. They even have a free trial to test the waters. 5. DALL-E, or AI image generators, for stunning visuals. Need high-quality images for your projects? AI tools like DALL-E create stunning visuals based on your prompts. It's perfect for custom thumbnails or unique designs. I actually used DALL-E to create this stunning avatar. Here's the thing, 2025 is the year of small creators. Big companies are actively hunting for people like you because you bring something they can't: authenticity. Whether you're 15 or 50, your age, background, or experience doesn't matter. What matters is your willingness to start and put yourself out there. You don't need to have all the answers right now. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars. What you do need is to take that first step, today. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to make 2025 your breakthrough year? Because everything you need is already at your fingertips. The tools, the guidance, the opportunities. It's all there. All that's left is for you to take action. You've got this. I believe in you. Now go make it happen, and I'll see you at the top. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I promise to make your AI journey in 2025 a smooth one.